Hi guys, hey friends, welcome to the new video. If you are new, subscribe, I upload every day video. Check out my Patreon if you wanna support me. I upload very cool sound packs, okay, right here. And as you can see, some cool 3D models. If you wanna have access to this, just $5 and you have access to cool fucking models that on the other side you're gonna pay hundreds of dollars. Now, today I'm gonna show you grease pencil. Now I am in Blender. I'm gonna select this cube by the left click X and delete. Shift A. I have right here this option grease pencil. And I'm gonna choose this first option. And how you can access this grease pencil? You just change from object mode to the draw right here. And you have a couple of options right here, of course, yes. You can basically draw a line and different kind of, as you can see, shapes. You basically go right here on this icon and you can adjust a couple of values. You have the layers right here, yes. You can add different layers if you want. And you can adjust right here the thickness, yes, right here of this stuff. So if I'm gonna just draw something, I'm gonna just click right here, maybe one, yes, just to show you. And I'm gonna just draw right here, maybe some happy face. As you can see, I have this kind of thickness, yes. If I'm gonna just apply more, something like 100, as you can see, this just changed my thickness. Basically, what I'm gonna draw, I can basically create uh, some, how to say, curve from this, okay? And I can later convert this to mesh. I can extrude this, basically, yes, I'm gonna control Z. I can extrude this and create, like I said, mesh or something like that. So it's very helpful to create something. Of course, you have the radius right here, yes. We have the straight right here. If I'm gonna just apply the straight, as you can see very clearly what I am drawing. So I can write a stupid face, as you can see. I am happy, let's go. I'm gonna draw very big ears, why not? Basically, I can turn this to the curve. So how you can do this? You just change this to draw mode. Yes, you just draw something. If you're gonna adjust right here the thickness and the radius and the strength if you want, just change once again this to the object mode. I have my stupid object and right click and you have convert to path. So I'm gonna choose the spheres option and this just create my layer, as you can see. Yes, this just create new objects. So what you want to do, you can delete this stuff that you drew. So select X, delete. I have right here my layer that I converted this, yes. I can basically go right here on this icon and I can open the geometry, of course, and extrude this if I want. As you can see, I just extruding this stupid stuff. And I can bevel this right here on this option, not bevel, both, whatever. Right here you have the depth, yes, and I can apply more depth to it. As you can see, and I can convert this to mesh or whatever I want, basically. So how we can do this? Once again, select, right click, convert to maybe curve or mesh. I'm gonna choose mesh. And basically that's it. I just created a stupid object. If I'm gonna just select this and click tab, I have all my geometry, as you can see, yes. And I'm gonna click tab. So I can apply, I don't know, some stupid even build modifier. And if I'm gonna just click play, so it's very helpful to create maybe some kind of, how to say, neo signs or something like that, yeah. You can create whatever shape you want. If I'm gonna just apply some material, as you can see, I have some very stupid animation. And it's very simple. Yes. You can draw this stuff, you can apply some modifier and you have your 3D object. So once again, I'm gonna do quick recap. I'm gonna click new, X and delete, select yes. By the left click X and delete. Shift A, you just access right here, grease pencil, right here, this spheres option. And just change this to this draw. This just create, as you can see, new fucking object or whatever. And you can change, of course, the strength if you want, the radius if you want. And you can open right here these settings. Then you can play around with layers. uh, and on another stuff. This is fact. If I'm gonna just add more layer, I'm gonna draw some face. Yes, okay, this is my face, and I'm gonna apply new layer, and I'm gonna draw maybe right here different kind of faces, or I don't know what this is. This is separate objects. Okay, remember that this is not one layer. This is second layer. Yes, because I create another layer. It does make sense. So I hope you get it how this works. So if I'm gonna just change this to the object, and I'm gonna select this, I'm just gonna convert this to path. I can delete this. Wait, yes, I can delete right here. This just create my layer, and I can go on this icon, and right here on the geometry I can extrude this, and as you can see, this just extrude this object. This doesn't extrude this object too, because I have selected one layer. Okay, I hope you get it how the layers works. Yes, so basically what layer you're gonna select, this just create one from this layer, this just create, yes, this mesh, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna delete once again, Shift A, yes, Griff, pencil, change this to the Drew. So we can add different layers, but you just create in different objects, if that makes sense. To be honest, I am not very good at this stuff. Maybe there is a way to combine the layers, but I I must do more research. But whatever, I'm just showing you that you can draw some stuff and create from those drawings some mesh. Okay, so we have the adjustment right here. You have different fucking options right here. Yes, you can use vertex group and play around on this stuff basically. Yes. Uh, so right here I can adjust the thickness, and if I'm gonna draw something, I don't know, some text right here, yes, we the whatever, something like this. And if I'm gonna just change this to the object right here, yes, right clicking, convert to path, just create new right here layer. I can select this layer, go right here on this icon, and I can extrude this and add more right here depth if I want. As you can see, I just added depth to this stupid text, and I can convert this to mesh if I want. So it's, like I said, very helpful, because you just write in the how to say, you just write in the curve, yes, if that makes sense, and from this curve you just create a mesh if you want. Yes, so like I said, maybe you're gonna use this to write how to say, to create some trees or something like that. Yes, or maybe some neosans or whatever you want, of course. So yeah, thank you for watching this stupid video. I record this very quickly. Like I said, I am not very big in this depth in this tool, but play around on the stuff. Thank you for watching. See you on to another one. Bye guys.